Vegas got a little rough, a little tough that time. Old Big Bad John talking to 27, Vegas got rough. Yo, Smoke him, old Black Smoke in the Carolinas. They road runner. I'm right back. Come on.
Motor my mall, good time, motor my mall, good time. So I just been reading the mail, motor my mall, I'm saying about.
Real good copy that time around, road runner. While you working that barefoot station around Vegas, take it easy, take real good care. Beginning of the weekend wave, road runner, Black Smoke, downtown, beautiful Manning, South Carolina. Goddamn.
Double nine, I'm the last time I'm gonna try. Hey, Baker, man, oh, double nine in Alabama break.
Yeah, no contact.
Hey, you see, you want me to ask road runner if the road's good enough for him to be barefooted? Hey, Big Bad John, you want me to ask road runner, is the roads good enough, cool enough for those bare feet? He might need some shoes. Hey, Big Bad John, Black Smoke, I road, come on down.
Ooh, no contact. On motor my mall, good time, in the backwoods of Georgia, standing by.
Oh, double nine got better things to do than stay out here ghost talking. Double nine in Alabama.
If you see the roads might be a little bit shaggy, like they are over around your place. If they are, he might need some shoes on. He don't need to be messing around getting glass and tar in his feet. They're 14.
Side. Northern Cal, good time.
What's your weapon? I'm 10-7. 500 on the bird. 500 on the bird. I'm 10-7. 10-7.
No comment, no goodbye. Worldwide Baker Man. Good news on the pile. I'm rolling on. You got time to catch me up. I got to ease him out here. Hey, push and pull. Oh, good time. Enjoy.
You sure set them out for Big Bad John. Yeah, we are in modern times now. Everybody need to have at least 2 to 3 pairs of shoes. Hey, everybody need to have at least 2 to 3 pairs of shoes. You don't need to buy a pair of shoes once a year and they can't pick it in. Then they get to leaning all over to one side and rocks start coming in the bottom of them, wearing the soles out. Everybody need to have at least 2 to 3 pairs of shoes, Big Bad John. Come on.
Hey, Black Smoke, I want to know if that Motor Mall's chasing that road runner there trying to be a coyote.
I believe that's what you're doing. Hey, that's exactly what's going on. Hey, that's exactly what's going on.
10-7. 10-7. 500 on the bird. 500 on the bird. 500 on the bird. Right for 10-7.
Well, I was just double checking because I figured that's what was going on. He's chasing that road runner. Doggone coyote, Motor Mall. Hey, Black Smoke, top of the day to you. Tell him I said hello, old squeaker out west is gone.
Black Smoke causing me all kinds of pain in the Carolina. Hey, causing me all kinds of pain by talking in the Carolina. Wake up. 500 on the bird. 500 on the bird. Gone.
And he was chasing behind that road runner. That's for sure enough real. Hey, beginning of the weekend wave, a worldwide squeaker, Black Smoke, high five, breaker.
You take care and be good. Hey, 500 on the bird. I heard you come rolling in there too. You were just moseying right on down through there from the Carolinas. Top of the afternoon. Hope you're doing well, old squeaker, out here working this little bitty Hermes got on down.
Tennessee Walker.
500 on the bird, Baker Man, I'm going 10-7. 500 on the bird, windshield wipers gone.
And let's squeaker know you didn't say hello.
Yeah, good morning. Motor my mall. Good morning, Motor my mall. Big Johnson on the top side of Sam Powell is walking.
500 on the bird, windshield wipers going 10-7. 500 on the bird, 500 on the bird,
Wide Baker Man, y'all, you still Big Johnson, say good morning.
Hey, windshield wiper, it's hard for a bird to carry 500 of them cotton pickers. You be careful sending that thing. He could fall down. Boy, yeah, it turned into a train wreck. I'll get out of here, but top of the day to everybody out there. I'm just sitting here warming up. Me in this small station on the West Coast, back in these bushes. I had to put my headphones on. Hey, Big Johnson, let me say good day to you two there. I heard you come rolling on in there. Top of the afternoon. Hope you're doing well. Big Johnson. We'll catch you later. I'm stepping.
You got a comment? And I'm okay, I mean, we're still doing some talking on the west side, no doubt about it. Good morning, get out the North Streaker, and my big brother up there right in the Northwest corner. Oh, hey, Big Old Johnson up here on the top side of this San Pierce.
Look, Motor Mouth
Windshield wiper self and put it on the 7th side. Wiper.
Right now, I'm going to call you all by yourself, because that's where you was in this receiver, no doubt about it. Hey, Steve, you're a Big Johnson. I know you're not talking this.
Hello, Motor Mouth Mall, Mr. Consistency, JoJo down in Alabama Square.
Well, let me pull this camera my mom, Governor JoJo down in Mobile, Alabama. And he got my up here on the top side of this bit, no doubt about it. Good morning once again, Streaker. You getting down.
Hey, Big Johnson. Oh, JoJo had my ears talking about him out there, too, so it's going both ways for them, gentlemen. So I'll step down out of the way. Hey, Big Johnson, take care, be good. I'm gone again.
Down on the coast. Catch you later, Motor Mouth Mall. JoJo with this big old butt cutter in Alabama's getting down.
Pulling back. No doubt about it. Streaker in the west, so Big Johnson up on the top side of this town. I'm walking out the way. I see you. Bye.
Going 10-7.
So you make it downtown Columbus.
And that's a real good copy. Put it on you later. You have a beautiful day, and we'll get with you again sometime soon. Motor Mouth Mall, JoJo, way down south in Alabama's getting on down.
We'll get back on Squeaker. I better back my old mud duck station out of here. Hey, 917 on the ground saying, Big Johnson gonna say good morning. And I'm gonna lay it back down, no doubt about it. Good morning, 917 on the ground.
I could almost hear you coming out of Columbus there, but boy, Mother Nature rolled and it changed to a different state. Anyway, good afternoon, top of the day to you. I'm stepping.
Meet two heads. Oh, yeah, Streaker.
Well, I can recognize that voice there, Godfather. I can recognize the golden voice, but it's such a cluster in my radio right here, I can't pull no words out. Anyway, good afternoon time to you. I'm stepping on down. The gate's rolling, and man, if you hear what I hear, it's just a tangled up mess. I'm gone. You got a pretty good grip on my ear there, JoJo. That's for sure, and you're definitely on that Watergate, no doubt about it. Top of the day to you. You were talking to Motormouth there a while ago. I was trying not to interfere, but top of the day, hope you're doing well. JoJo, your Alabama station rolling on in.
Boy, you right on? Right on, I'm trying to figure out that boy. Sure, him mercy. You got me on a big
I must not be out here enough. JoJo, for you not to recognize. Anyway, top of the day, Squeaker out here in the middle. My little bitty station. The squeakiest station on the West Coast. Great big good afternoon time to you, and I'm out of the way.
All right, you on that Squeaker. Well, Squeaker, I just didn't want to take no chances and call the wrong man.
Well, they call me a lot of things. I don't know if they're all good or not. I don't know. But I'll answer to most of them if it's close. Anyway, good afternoon. I got an advantage today. 63 is out here working in the intersection out in front of my house out there somewhere. So he can't key on me, so I got a little airtime. Anyway, good afternoon. Catch you later on. I'm going to go.
Hey, Squeaker, is that a Squeaker? Squeaker, we'll catch you later.
I'm going to tour around this downstairs.
I hear Michael there. I didn't catch your 28, but I did hear your radio. Good afternoon to you. Uncle Sonny and George are right back.
Dr. Payne. Hey, good evening. One piece in the water, Dr. Payne. Good evening, Baker Man. Good evening, Baker Man, JoJo in Alabama. Good afternoon to you, Baker Man, JoJo in Alabama. Nice
And all key gonna double back and call me and put no contact on my once again,
boy, you ready on Baker Man? We'll go on back and sip you some more coffee. Hey, Baker Man, I'm drinking a cold Budweiser down on Alabama. Get you later, Baker Man, while you
Georgia with the wave got down.
Hey, get his tag number and I'll take care of the ticket. Hey, one piece in the water, Dr. Payne in Florida.
Hey, Baker Man, number 2 around there. Oh, good luck, Daddy. Oh, shit, I'm showing the trophy, man. The man is hard to kill on the ground plane. Where that Kelly Johnson on the west side? It's hard to kill. Say that home. It's a 917. But the Johnson said what you said. I got that.
Baker man, I don't know who you're talking to, man. Hey, Baker man, but I hear your radio. You said, put a ball, fix your radio. Hey, Baker man, good afternoon to you. Tell old Bully Bobby he got that job.
Hey, 917 hard to kill. Big Johnson march your time. Come on, march right on out of here. 917. Big Johnson said, I see you. Bye. That time. All right, let me get on out of here, man.
Oh, my dog. Oh, my dog old shop shooting the big band. Hey, Miss Dawson, you got a copy? Hey, Miss Dawson old shop shooting the big band, reading on the mail.
We was going to do it the right way.
Right back, Baker man. You walking tall in my radio that last key up, that's for sure. Hello, how to do the Baker man, West Coast. Uncle Sonny, you need Georgia Catfield, right?
So long as you're coming back or not, man. Traffic trying to hit on this Sunday day, no doubt about it. Hey, Mr.
Black Smoke,
Just trying to make it down, no doubt about it. Also no sharp, shooting a bam, getting on down.
Copy. Hey, go right in there to number 12. Pull around, bam, bam, I step. Louisiana, big people, come out.
Hey, Baker. All right, Mr. Dawson, man. It's rough and tough, man. I can't see more cookies. Hey, Mr. Dawson, take care. May the good Lord take a leg on that, try to make it in, no doubt about it. Mr. Dawson. Oh, sharp, shooting a bam, I'm getting on down.
Bam.
That kept me ground brand looking real good downtown, beautiful Mini, South Carolina. That's for sure, no real. Hey, early weekend wave to y'all.
Baker man on the northwest corner. Uncle Sonny, southeast corner, Georgia, rocking his mail.
Saw you.
Sure, you right on. Good afternoon, Mr. Sharpshooter. Sounding real good, Captain Blue. Sharpshooter, good evening to you. JoJo is back quiet. Over this gate off while yourself, no doubt about it. You take real good care around San Bernardino, California. Hey, 91.7 Smoke.
Hey, good rockin' there. You still reading the mail? Hey, good rockin' there, old sharp shooting the big band, brother. Hey, what's your way down out here, Squeaker, before I shut this thing down? What's your way down, Squeaker, in the middle? Mr. Jumping up and down, looking in the middle.
Thank you.
Boy, I ain't gonna prolong your time, make your time, wanna let it cool down, no doubt about it. I didn't want to say hello, no doubt about it.
You jumping up and down. I heard you poke your nose right on in there. I aimed my antenna radar up there a little bit into the north. Top of the day to you, Mr. Jumping up and down, old Squeaker, west side stepping on down.
I'm back again.
Hey, Squeak. Go get right in there until you headed to the kitchen. Hey, go right in there until you headed to the round table number 2, big bam, stepping on. Hey, Squeaker, 25, gone.
Bye.
Well, the guys down there in the south still got my ear hole there. Every now and then somebody pops in from up in the lakes up there. I think I heard 6. I think I heard 25. Great big good afternoon, but I'll get out of the way so I don't plug no ears nowhere else. I'm a stepping on down right here. Look at there.
Got that.
Sit back and have to listen. Hey, Squeaker, Black Smoke in the Carolina said that right there. Come on down.
Man, I can't even turn my antenna up the north and get away from everybody down there. I was trying not to plug anybody's ears or anything. Not that I could do that very well, but you know, I'm only running 40% here, so I'm on the low level stuff. But hey, Black Smoke, you're cruising my ear hole here real good too. Black Smoke, old Squeaker, West Side stepping.
Real good copy, Squeaker. Yeah, I'm running 25%, man. Hey, right here, right here.
Hey, Squeaker. He ain't by himself. Oh, Sheriff shooting a bam say, Smoke is not by himself. Oh, Sheriff shooting a bam getting on down.
Why you cruising alongside?
I had to leave him sitting there too. Hey, sharpshooter, you said he wasn't all by himself, and you doggone right, no doubt about it. Great big good afternoon to you. Sharpshooter and the bam on Squeaker out west.
He's got me up. Hey, look. He's got me up.
Hey, Squeaker, I didn't know Sharpshooter wanted to go a couple of rounds. Sharpshooter wanted to go a couple of rounds, but tell him got me in a position. We can fight all day long. Squeaker, Black Smoke, I'm right back. Come on.
You said that you could go a couple rounds with him if he wanted to. Hey, Black Smoke, you can go a couple rounds, and you just came right over the top right there. Breaker.
Yeah, just next time he wanted.
I did not key up. By game and running slow. Oh, Sheriff showing the coat. I did not key. But I'm on the mall now. Oh, Sheriff shooter getting on there.
Woo. Well, you said you didn't key, but you did that time. And there wasn't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Hey, sharpshooter, you was 40 dB in this receiver out here and just quieted it right on down. You better go around, but you better wait a little bit there, huh?
Yeah, my friend Smoke, sit down before you get knocked down. Get there, homeboy. Oh, Sheriff shooting the big bam getting on there.
Squeaker, Black Smoke, I'm right back. Come on.
Hey, Black Smoke, he took my receiver away. He said you better sit down before he kicks the little leg out from underneath your stool and you fall down. You better be nice to him, because right now he's got Mother Nature in my side of the radio there breaking.
I tell him I got 3 legs.
Hey, Squeaker, number 12, man, bam, just passes through. Hey, Squeaker, number 12, bam.
Squeaker, the phone here.
Well, number 12 come in there, and in the bam, he was out here hollering too, so Alabama must have a little bit of Mother Nature over the top of the Carolinas. But anyway, good afternoon. Hey, 12, be good down that way. I'm stepping on down.
All right, 14, Squeaker. Be good, man. I got passing through on that camera.
Shooting that bam is quiet.
Mr. Squeaker, you little brother. Play around, bam, I'm stepping.
All right, 12, you take care, be good. That sharpshooter was right in there, right next to you there. He was, I could hear a word or two from each one of you. But that's the way Mother Nature's rolling out here. Everybody's tangled up and everybody's having a good time. Anyway, good afternoon one more time. Me and my small station on the West Coast just exercising my little 40% on this antique Glen from way back when I stepped on down.
Right, 14, Squeaker. We're doing it, man, that's around bam, man, no doubt about it, man. It's sounding real good, no doubt about it. But Squeaker, I'm going to hear you do tonight to carry me away, man. Just want to put the broken folk on you, hope everything is well. Hey, Squeaker, number 3 around bam, out the way, I'm just happy.
And you did it in fine style, and I appreciate the The flowers out this way. Hey, number 12, you take care, be good, hope the family doing well. You also, we'll catch you again next time around. I just dropped on out of the way, and I'll see you.
All right, you 410 Squigger. I'm out the way too. Bye. Take care.
Say hello. Hello, my long-time friend, yardstick shooter. Oh, shout out to on the coast getting on there. Bye.
Better get out my car, making it while you waiting, Christine.
I guess I can't holler at my friend yardstick. I guess I don't have no condition on yardstick. Oh, shut up, shit in that Bama squad.
Wait, about 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm right here on that Cal Big Hill with little Mother Nature, no doubt about it. You pulling my Cal Big Hill right about now, Mother Nature, I'm pulling her dress tail up. Hey, yardstick.
Hey, yardstick, oh, shut up, shit in that Bama squad.
Finish out of them gardens, back reading the mail.
Hello, 917 on that ground plane. Hello to you, my friend, 917. Oh, shut up, shooting that Bama squad. Hey, behave yourself, yardstick. Hey, yardstick, behave yourself. Hey, stick, go shoot up that quiet.
Hey, sharpshooter, what do you call a yardstick with a piece broke off it?
What do you call a short stick? So right, Daddy.
Yeah, I guess you call it you either call them 2 foot or like you said, a short stick. I'm out of the way one more time.
Okay, Squeaker. I'll answer that. I'm still in the middle.
I think it's you. Hey, Squeaker, 411 in Maryland, Brigham.
I don't know if I could keep it going there. I heard Godfather. Great, good afternoon again. Hey, 411, I don't know if I can keep it going out of Maryland there, but good afternoon time to you, because you're sounding good out here on this west side.
Drop that mall on them there, folks,
Hey, yo.
Oop. Yep, you got tangled up. Hey, 411, take care, be good. I just heard good news pop up in there too, so let me get out of his way. Afternoon there, Mr. Good News, if you got a grip on my lip, and I'm Squeaker's gone.
Hey, Squeak, I'll untangle that cat nigga knot for you. I'll untangle that cat nigga. Catch you later. Oh, shut up, shooting that Bama squad.
See you later, sharpshooter. I better get off this thing for a little bit. You be good. I'll catch you later.
rotate, yeah, see, while you pull it out, just want to step in and say, hey, what's again? Hey, y'all, I say, Superman, black on the prize side.
Somebody tell that faggot to shut up. The show must go on. Tell that faggot to shut up.
And that's a big yardstick, Roger. I'm just a butler from Channel 20 with attitude. Take care of yardstick. Superman said I'm black out. I holler.
They holler when I heard. Tell that faggot to shut up. Big soul on the rough house gone.
Ain't worried about that, but take care of yardstick. We'll get back with you later on. Me and a modified phone booth over here. Hey, yardstick, Superman out of here.
They look with man love. They holler when they heard. 917, big soul in the rough house got down.
Yeah, the worldwide yardstick, Roger. I'll get back with you. I holler.
Hey, now what's up? Don't deny what you hear. Hello, yardstick. Father reading the mail. And those jack snappers, they like it rough. They look with man love. They look with man love. Hey, 917, big soul in the rough house. I don't worry about the rest. I represent the best. Big soul in the rough house gone.
Hey, yardstick here, 411, wave the hand.
Was that what you were trying to say? Man, a yardstick is about 6 inches from being a whole yard, breaker.
California on that ground plane breaker. Holler when it is, but the show must go on.
He got his hand caught in the cookie jar.
Sounding good over here in the Carolinas. Hey, 917500, Mr. Black Smoke. See, you're still smoking in the Carolinas. I'm getting on down.
I heard little balls with the hot sauce. Hello, little balls with the hot sauce. 411 getting down.
Play too rough. Big soul in the rough house gone.
And Mag Nasty is back meeting this man.
30 dBs. Hey, 91.7, 30 dBs coming out that ground playing into my 5 element. Hey, 91.7, 30 dBs coming out that ground playing into my 5 element on the flat side. 91.7, Black Smoke on that. Let you know I'm getting on now.
Jojo, big quick. Play too damn rough. You go boogie in the woods and watch yourself, and I'll see you. Bye. Well, tell them faggots in the glass house.
Real good copy. Put it down on your later. 91.7, heavy loaded ground playing. Black Smoke. Side to side. I'm back in the bushes. I'll see you.
Good evening. 917, Jojo in Alabama. Say good evening.
Oh, boogie in the woods in Georgia, and I'm still boogieing on down. Hey, y'all from Brokeback Mountain.
Yeah, that might be broke too. Hey, y'all think you better run out there. Hey, y'all think,
I just want to let you know, man, I did hear your ground playing. I just want to let you know. Take care. God bless. 91.7. Go
Hey, y'all say, what you talking about, man? Let me ease on up out here. Hey, y'all say, Superman, say, I'm just sitting there reading this mail.
Yardstick, Uncle Sonny in Georgia with the F5 got down.
I'm going to see if I can get Monterey Cal. Who's that downtown Monterey, California? Take care, my brother. Keep on doing it. Do it again. 91.7.
Hey, yardstick, what about me?
Yeah, all of a sudden, it ain't gonna be about him right about now. Uncle Sonny got to go too. Take care. Okay, y'all. Taking the rest of good time game. Superman working these housewives. I holler.
Mr. Jumping up and down, Buckeyes. I better get out of here. Don't get back around Monterey, California. Mr. Jumping up and down the east side.
Lion man, shaka shaka.
My condition, cause you fell down about 2 pounds, so I might well cut it loose and leave it alone. Oh, y'all, Steve, you got a copy. Uncle Sonny and Georgia got on up. Yeah, to right on 278, Mr. Jumping up. Hey, yeah, Steve. Have a good day. You're feeling good in the hood? Yeah, Steve, Uncle Sonny and Georgia, Papa.
He didn't quit it. Daddy, y'all stick.
Uncle Sonny and Georgia. Uncle Sonny and Georgia. I holler.
Oh, super. Uncle Sonny got down.
What does that make? You know I make it rough. I make it rough.
278, my Ganesha Park brother. I'm trying to wave my hand. Go around Ganesha Park.
My real good friend. Hey, y'all, Stick, I enjoyed hanging out with you over there around the Razorback. Hey, y'all, Stick, one thing for sure. You my real good friend. Y'all, Stick, your Uncle Sonny Squire. I better get out of here. I'm out here ghost talking again. I'll get back on 278 later than PDL2. Get back out of here.
Hit it and get it. Hit it and quit it.
Just get you a good shoe shine, boy. Hey, y'all say, just get you a good shoe shine, boy. I mean, you don't out by your Superman, black on the choir side. I holler.
Our daddy y'all stick. Reverend Uncle Boo Boo. Big soul in Georgia. Motherhouse gone.
Hey, Punk. 278, Mr. Jumping up and down east side. Go on.
Quick. You ain't got to pay for those shoe shines if you don't want.
Yeah, Steve, I'm about to take the put in How about hey, y'all, Steve. You still drinking that moonshine? Y'all, Steve, Uncle Sonny got there.
Oh, Sonny, I'm getting out of here. I holler.
Yeah, that got me acting like you still drinking that fucking Arkansas moonshine. Oh. Hey, Dirty y'all still, that moonshine still hanging around. Hey, Dirty y'all still, that moonshine that good. Dirty y'all shit, Uncle Sonny, Arkansas moonshine is that good.
Hey, y'all say, who you talk about, man? Hey, y'all say, Superman say, who in the heck you talk about, that plucker? Hey, y'all stick a holler.
All you gotta do. You hit them, they holler.
Oh, yeah, I just wonder. I black out here, y'all say, Superman, black out, I holler. And that's a daddy y'all stick Roger. And I'll get back with you. I holler.
I think y'all still give some of that fucking moonshine for himself. Uncle Sonny got that.
Hey, y'all say, Uncle Sonny said you drinking all the moonshine by yourself. Hey, y'all say, Uncle Sonny said you drinking all the moonshine. So you better forget all them town drunks. Hey, y'all say, get all them town drunks on the moonshine. I'm out of here, Superman, black.
Just don't blow it up.
started wondering. I haven't heard him in about a week or two. And he's been here hard. See the referee tell him I could say.
Now, back here, Superman standing by.
Quick in on me, duck blocker.
Nothing but a driver, full driver, nothing but a driver. Driver need mud running crazy. Big boy,
Hey, Sonny, around Sunnyville. Hey, Sonny, holla.
Holla, Captain Maker.
down is going on.
That was Sonny, I'll catch you later. I'm saying about reading